Right, we're getting the van ready for a 2-week trip. We're going to be leaving the UK, we're going to be going on the Channel Tunnel to Calais in France, and then whizzing through the west side of France into the Basque region, northern Spain, and then down very northern Portugal to a festival that we went to in 2003. So we're really looking forward to that. So we're getting the van ready. We've got quite a bit to do. Got to make up the beds. So the girls sleep on the top here. We've got to put the fitted sheet on and everything like that. And then as we've got to do the same, we've got to get the quilt in the quilt cover and the pillowcases on the pillows and put a fitted sheet on. And then I've got all these sort of little bits and bobs. I've got some tools and some things to replenish the first aid kit. I've just filled up hand soap, so that can go over here with all of this stuff here. Let's get a bit of light in here. The jobs I've got left to do, I want to clean the windows inside and out. That's all of them, including the little ones at the back. So there's this little one here on the girls' bunk, and also there's one probably hiding behind that quilt. Oh no, you can just see it there. So I want to get those cleaned inside and out. I had a great big list of jobs, things that I wanted to get done before we go, and luckily I've got most of them done. I'm quite impressed actually, because it was quite a big list and I didn't expect to get them all done. So I've been working really hard before I go to work or in the evenings when I get home from work, getting all the little bits and bobs done, and at the weekends as well. Neatening it up. Clothing pods, which are these here, which are made out of old bed slats that we found fly tipped in the street, and we managed to make these shelves to put these really lightweight IKEA drawer dividers in, and we fold all our clothes up. The shelf below holds bedding. There's 2 fitted sheets in the M1 there and 2 fitted sheets in this one here, and we also put things like towels, and our laundry goes in this great big bag here in this one. And then once all that's done, we'll also be filling up this drawer with our food. It's got some of Max's food in it, wet food. We got peanut butters and curry sauces, pasta, gnocchi, more sauces, and a gluten-free fajita kit in the back there. So that's all getting ready to go as well. But yeah, so we're just doing it. Still got to fill up the water tanks. They're empty, but I did replace under here behind this curtain is a porta potty, and also toilet paper, toilet solutions, and somewhere at the back there is a water filter, which I changed. They only last a year or a season. The old one had split, and all the charcoal, the sort of filter element in it, had come out and blocked one of the water pipes. So that's been replaced. So I need to fill up the water tanks, which have been flushed out, and yeah, get ready to go. So this is mine and Jodie's clothes for the 2 weeks. This is everything we'll need. I did manage to get to clean the windows both inside and out, and then we filled up the cupboards with all the snacks and goodies and things that we want along the way, plus about 2 weeks worth of food in this drawer here under the bed, and also this cupboard full of snackages, some lovely treats for along the way as well. So yeah, stay tuned. Subscribe to see how we get on with the rest of our journey, getting to Portugal and back in 2 weeks, including a 5-day festival in the middle there, and the water tanks filled up. And there we go, we're ready for the off. Leave behind a rainy England and head for Portugal.